Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest videos, so the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater free ideas. So please you must watch my video till then. These are beautiful ideas for your sweet pet. Beautiful, most demanding collection. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Very nice, beautiful color, beautiful ideas, some organic square pattern. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. Very nice, most demanding collection. Beautiful ideas. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video. Good comment section, press the bell icon. And I hope you like this. If you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me.